Now what Parkers have done, which is an absolute boon to me, some people are very good at choosing colours, especially colours for plants, but I put pink next to yellow, and then when it comes up I think, oh, even to me that looks bad. So what they've done is they've done companion planting, so you can get 2 different or more types of tulip. Now Parkers have chosen some great varieties that go together perfectly with similar heights and flowering time, so for somebody like me that's a big boon. Hollandia, bright red, and Carnival de Rio, white streaked with bold red. For a really vivid colour, Princess Irene, bright orange with a purple streak, and Purple Prince, regal purple. Whoa, it's coming good. Today we're planting the perfect duo, Purple Flag, deep purple, and Flaming Flag, pure white with soft purple flame. They're going to look magnificent in the spring. And it just helps you, because people like me, I'm hopeless at colours, but the planting of them is just the same. You just, in you go, about 4 inches deep. In actual fact, this trowel has actually got the sizes on for you, but not that you need it. It's 4 inches, about 3 times the diameter of the bulb is fine. Now on this part of the garden doesn't drain quite as well as over there, so I always use a bit of alpine gravel, alpine grit. It's £3 a bag, and it's well worthwhile, because if you plant these pointed end up, if you plant these directly onto the gravel, the water will never stand at the neck where the roots come out of, so they'll never rot. So that's all you have to do. I'm planting 15 to 25. You just cover it over and you wait till spring, and they'll say, oh, that's very clever, planting those with colours that match. And I'll say, yeah, it's just a gift.